Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to verify domains on Brevo. If you want to know how it's done in this video is for you. So as you can see, I've already logged into my Brevo app, and in here you can see that I'm the app.brevo.com. What you can do is you can click on this right here, and then from in there, head over and click on the senders, domains, and the dedicated IPs. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. Head over to the domains right here. And then from in here, you can see that you have in here a domain. So if you already have a domain right here, if you don't have that, head over and click on this add domain right here and then just type it in. Now, if you want to verify it or authenticate it, head over and click on this authenticate right here. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page right here, and you just need to put in here the DNS records. So just head over and copy all of these DNS records on your actual domain giver or your actual site wherein you bought that domain. So from there, just put in your DNS record, DKIM record, DMARC record, and after that, head over and click on this authenticate this email domain in order to successfully save that. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.